Hi friends, welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I'm going to prepare chili gobi. So to prepare this recipe friends, the ingredients that we require are I have taken one small cauliflower and as you can see I have taken the cut into florets. I have removed the stem, only taking the flowers of it. So this is one small cauliflower that I have taken. Here I have taken one egg. This is all-purpose flour, that is maida, 2 tablespoons of maida. This is corn flour. I have taken 2 tablespoons of corn flour also. If you don't have corn flour, friends, you can use rice flour. Salt as per our taste. Red chili powder. This is Kashmiri red chili powder, which will give color to this recipe. Oil for cooking this recipe. This is white vinegar that I have taken. 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. I am using light soya sauce friends. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. 2 big onions. I have diced it. 1 small capsicum. I have diced it capsicum also. 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger and garlic. 3 green chilies. Some have turned orange also. I have cut them diagonally. So now let's get started friends. The very first thing that we are going to do is we need to boil this cauliflower. So let's heat water. Now friends, here the water is boiling. I will add the cauliflower to it for 2 minutes. After adding the cauliflower florets, I will add little salt. Half a teaspoon of salt. I'll boil it for 2 minutes so that if there is any insect that will come out, and also it will get a little bit cooked from inside. Meanwhile friends, let's make a mixture. I will add the all-purpose flour, that is maida. Then I will add 1 tablespoon of corn flour. So I have added 2 tablespoons of maida and 1 tablespoon of corn flour, ginger garlic paste, egg, red chili powder. I'm using Kashmiri red chili powder friends. So half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and now I will mix all this and make a batter. Now friends, after boiling it for 2 minutes, I'll put off the flame and I will take it out, strain the water. So here are the boiled cauliflower. Please do not boil it more than 2 minutes. Now I have made this batter. So I'll let the cauliflower cool down a little bit. Now we will slowly add these cauliflowers to the batter. Coat it nicely. Mix the cauliflower like this, slowly to the batter. Once the cauliflowers are nicely coated with the mixture, the batter, this is the time, friends, we will immediately fry them in the hot oil. So now let's heat oil. Here I have heated half a cup of oil and I'm going to add the cauliflower. Slowly add all the cauliflower. Be careful, friends, while adding the cauliflower florets into it. Once you add all the cauliflower florets into the oil, increase the flame and fry it. Can you see? A lovely texture will come. Light over high flame. It will have a nice golden color. Now friends, when it turns nice and golden in color, I'm going to reduce the flame and take it out from the oil. So you can see nice golden it has become. It has become nice and crispy also because of the corn flour. So I have taken out all the cauliflower, fried cauliflower here, and I have reduced the amount of oil also. So near about 2 tablespoons of oil is here. I'm going to add the chopped ginger and garlic. Friends, you can also use spring onion for this recipe if you have. After adding chopped ginger and garlic, over a medium flame, I will add the onions. Saute the onions. Add the capsicum also. The green chilies. Over a high flame, we'll cook this for a minute. Now after frying it for a minute, I will add the vinegar, the remaining soya sauce, meanwhile friends, this is the remaining corn flour. I'll add little water and I will make a paste. Now friends, at this stage we will add this corn flour. We'll reduce the flame to medium And now we will add the cauliflower florets into that fried one. We'll mix it nicely. Toss it over high flame and it is ready now. So we'll put off the flame and transfer it to the serving bowl. So here is our chili gobi ready. Quick and easy recipe, friends, and it tastes very delicious. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. See you soon, friends. Bye.